multiplication table of 7, the INTA scanner SC equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, so it is asking for enter a number. Okay, तो आमे गोटे नंबर एंटर करिवा से नंबर रा से मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल हमको शो करबा. सपोज रन करछि प्रोग्राम टा. Enter the number for multiplication table. Suppose I pass here 5. Okay, so 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 4 20. Okay, so here we pass a value 5. Okay, then it is accept and store in the A. INT A is equals to 1. 1 is less than 10. Condition is true, 1 is less than 10. Then it is showing you 5 into 1 5. I value is increment to 2. 2 is less than 10. Condition is true. 5 into 2 is 10. I value is increment to 3. 3 is less than 10. Condition is true. 5 into 3 is 15. I value is increment to 4. 4 is less than 10. Condition is true. 5 into 4 is 20. I value is increment to 5. 5 is less than 10. Condition is true. 5 into 5. Okay, so 5 into 5 is 25. I value is increment to 6. 6 less than 10. Condition is true. 5 into 6 is 30. I value is increment to 7. 7 is less than 10. Condition is true. 5 into 7. तो ये डिस्प्ले टा केमती आछी ना ए रा वैल्यू अछि 5. ए रा वैल्यू आमे नौचे केते 5 नेचे प्लस प्लस माने कॉन्कैटिनेशन कोन कॉन्कैटिनेट करूची ना मल्टीप्लिकेशन कॉन्कैटिनेट करूची प्लस आई माने एटी 1 टा को कॉन्कैटिनेट करूची ना आई रा वैल्यू जते एटी आई रा वैल्यू 1 जते होची 5 into 1 आछी तापर मल्टीप्लिकेशन रिजल्ट इज शो कला म्हणजे आई रा वैल्यू 2 हबो तो 5 into 2 तर 10 एटी कॉन्कैटिनेट करी वैल्यू शो करूची. So these are the value it is showing you multiplication table. Okay, so next is nested for loop. Nested for loop is what? for loop within the another for loop is called as the nested for loop माने गोटे for loop भितरे यदि आमे आ गोटे for loop यूज करियो ताको जो nested for loop for I less than 5 तो मुझे छाड़ दो ताले मेरा तीनटा पार्ट रखियो for loop भितरे आमे आ गोटे for loop यूज करियो for loop रे एंड है for loop भितर आ गोटे for loop जदि हमें यूज करछे को कहबा हमें nested for loop for loop भितर आ गोटे for loop रहता को कहबा हमें nested for loop nested for loop रो एग्जांपल देखिबा केमते रहउची पहला int I is equals to 1 less than 5 condition is true ओके तो फर्स्ट मो रन करछि तापर मैं को एक्सप्लेन करबी केमते होछि See that it is a small type of pyramid structure it is showing you int I is equals to 1 is less than 5 condition is true so 1 is less than 5 so first condition आमे एठी लिखले I value टा 1 अछि हमर एठी आ 1 टा less than 5 condition true हला तापर इनर लूप को आछला इनर लूप रे कोन हला j is equals to 1 तो I रो वैल्यू बेठी 1 अछि तो 1 is less than 1 no 1 is equals to 1 yes एठी प्रिंट करिवो 1 एठी देखो एठी प्रिंट कला केते 1 प्रिंट कला then j रो वैल्यू 1 थिला j रो वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हे गला 2 now 2 is less than 1 condition false जदि condition false हला आउटर लूप को जीवो आउटर लूप रे i रो वैल्यू 1 अछि एठी हे गला 2 इंक्रीमेंट हे गला 2 2 is less than 5 condition is true 2 is less than 5 condition is true तापर inner loop को आसीबो inner loop रे j रो वैल्यू 1 अछि तो 1 is less than 2 condition is true तो प्रिंट करिवो i रो वैल्यू केते अछि ना 2 अछि 2 प्रिंट कला प्रिंट लिखाई प्रिंट एले नेला नेक्स्ट लाइन को पळेबो एठी हमको 2 प्रिंट कला कोनी j रो वैल्यू 1 थिला एबे j रो वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट अबाउट 2 so 2 is less than 2 no 2 is equals to 2 yes तो 2 is equals to 2 यदि 2 is equals to 2 रहिला तापरे मते एटी प्रिंट करिवो केते 2 प्रिंट करिवो 2 is equals to 2 एटी प्रिंट कला मोर 2 ओके सो एटी 2 प्रिंट कला पारे तापरे 2 रो वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हेगला 3 3 is less than what 2 तो कंडीशन फॉल्स हेगला कंडीशन फॉल्स हला पारे पुनी एटी गला I रो वैल्यू हेजिवो इंक्रीमेंट हेजिवो 3 so 3 is less than 5 condition is true that is 0 value कितना रहेला 1 so 1 is less than 3 condition is true 1 is less than 3 that is print कला 3 0 value again increment हला 2 so 2 is less than 3 condition is true 2 is less than 3 again I would 3 print कला print next line को जाइए 0 value increment हला 3 3 is less than 3 no 3 is equals to 3 yes 3 is equals to 3 it either value 3 ଅଛି 3 is equals to 3 then condition is true then it is 3 print kala then 0 value he gala 4 4 is less than 3 4 is less than 3 condition false he gala condition false hela par it lekha है system dot out dot println खाली blank line रहला that means ये मते next line को नहीं आसीओ ए line को से पळे आसला तो एटी कंडीशन फॉल्स हे गला कंडीशन फॉल्स हला पर आइर वैल्यू 3 अछि अगेन इंक्रीमेंट हे गला 4 4 जतले इंक्रीमेंट होची 4 is less than 5 4 is less than 5 condition is true 4 is less than 5 तबे ठीक आसिला 0 वैल्यू हला 1 आइर वैल्यू अछि 4 तो 1 is less than 4 1 is less than 4 condition is true print I आइर वैल्यू केते अछि 4 अछि एटी 4 प्रिंट कर पुनी 0 वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हला 1 रो केते हे जीवो 1 रो 2 हे गला एटी so 2 is less than 4 2 is less than 4 condition is true 2 is less than 4 condition is true the printing you 4 then 2 0 value again increment hela 3 so eta 3 he gala 3 is less than 4 3 is less than 4 condition is true 3 is less than 4 then again I got a 4 print kala 0 value increment he gala again 4 j plus plus eti gasila again increment he gala 4 4 is less than 4 no 4 is equals to 4 yes then print kala again kete print kala again print kala 4 पुनी 0 value increment है जो 5 is less than 4 5 is less than 4 condition false the condition false होची तापर एटे system dot out dot println माने नेक्स्ट लाइन को पळेला पुनी I रा वैल्यू एटे इंक्रीमेंट हे गला 5 तो 5 is less than 5 no 5 is equals to 5 yes तर एटी इनर लूप रे j आसेला j is equals to 1 1 is less than 5 condition is true then print kala I रा value केते अछि 5 then j रा value increment ला 2 is less than 5 condition is true then it print kala 5 then j रा value increment ला 3 is less than 5 condition is true then print kala it 5 j रा value increment ला 4 is less than 5 condition is true then it is printing it print kala 5 j रा value increment kala again 4 to 5 5 is less than 5 no 5 is equal to 5 yes then it is 5 तब j रा value increment है 6 is less than 5 condition false है पुनी नेक्स्ट लाइन को पड़े ऐसा पुनी I रा value increment है 6 is less than 5 no 6 is equals to 5 no condition is false हमारे टे आउटपुट आसीला बुझी पाइला प्रोग्राम टा गिरिजा पांचो हेलो
आज्ञा
सेटा होची हमर नेस्टेड फॉर लूप It is another example. Okay, so it is in a reverse order. It is showing you. Okay, so it हमें 1 to number print कले it हमें star print करियो. देखा देखा केमती आसेला. First हमें गोटे define कले int row 5. Row टा define कराला 5. int I is equals to row. माने I रे एठी हमें store कले I is equals to 5. এটা outer loop रे हमें I is equals to 5 पर. So 5 is greater than 1. Yes, 5 is greater than 1. Then inner loop को आसिला. Inner loop रे हला j. 1 is less than 5. तो j रा value केते आसिला? j रा value 1 आसिला. I रा value अछि 5. So 1 is less than 5. Condition is true. 1 is less than 5. That is गोटे star print कला. when j रा value increment हला 2. That is 2 आसिला. 2 is less than 5. Condition is true. Then second star print कला. The j रा value increment हला 3. 3 is less than 5. Condition is true. Third star print कला. j रा value increment हला 4. 4 is less than 5. Condition is true. Then out star. Fourth star print कला. j रा value increment हला 5. 5 is less than 5. No, 5 is equals to 5. Yes, out star print कला. Now j रा value increment हला 6. 6 is less than 5. Condition is false. ताऊ किछि print कला. तो किछि print न करजे तापर पुनी next line को जीवो. The print रहला पुनी next line एठी आसिला. पुनी एठी j रा value केते आइ गला? I रा value 5 थिला. एठी j रा value I रा value केते आइ जीवो ना decrement आइ जीवो. Decrement हे केते आसीबो ना 4 आसीबो. यदि 4 आसी then I value टा 4 आसिला. So 4 is greater than 1. Yes, 4 is greater than 1. Yes. Then it is inner loop को आसिला. 4 is greater than 1. Inner loop को आसिला. J is equals to 1. J रा value 1 हला. 1 is less than 4. Yes, condition is true. 1 is less than 4. गोटे star print कला. J रा value increment हला 2. 2 is less than 4. Condition is true. आउ गोटे star print कला. J रा value increment हला 3. 3 is less than 4. Condition is true. Third star print कला. J रा value increment हला 4. 4 is less than 4. Condition is true. 4 is less than 4. No, it is condition false हला. 4 is equals to 4 is then gote star print कला. J रा value again increment हला 5. 5 is less than 4. Condition is false. तापर next line को आसिला. Next line ने I रा value again decrement हला 2 3. এটা 3 हे गला. Then j रा value हला 1. 1 1 is less than 3. Condition is true. Then गोटे star print कला. when j रा value increment हला केते 1 हे गला 2. 2 is less than 3. Condition is true. आउ star print कला. j रा value increment हला 3. 3 is less than 3. No, 3 is equals to 3. गोटे star print. j रा value increment हला 4. 4 is less than 3. Condition is false. Statement block कला. Next line को गला. Next line ने पुणी I रा value टा कहाँ हला ना decrement हेतिला. I रा value again decrement हे गला 2. So 2 is less than 1. Condition is true. Then एठी क्या सिला 1 j रा value 1 हला. 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. गोटे star print कला. पुणी j रा value increment हला 2. 2 is less than 2, no 2 is equals to 2, yes ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ star print କଲ j ର value increment ହେଲା 3, 3 is less than 2, condition is false, next line को गला I ର value 2 थिला बे 1 ହେଲା 1 is greater than 1, no 1 is equals to 1, yes the inner loop को आसिला j ର value ହେଲା 1, 1 is less than 1, no 1 is equals to 1, yes ଗୋଟେ star print कला j ର value increment ହେଲା 2, 2 is less than 1, condition is false, next line को गला तापर मने j ର value एटे decrement हे गला 0, 0 is greater than 1, no 0 is equals to 1, no that condition false ହେଲା एटा half pyramid हमको शो कर बुझला half pyramid in reverse order बुझे होची गिरिजा उपांशु
Yes, sir.
उपांशु सुनुच ना सोई पड़छ उपांशु तमे बे गोटे देखिबा फुल पिरामिड very interesting one the full pyramid int I j rho is equals to 6, int I j rho is equals to 6, int I is equals to 0. Okay, so full pyramid is what? So see that it is a full pyramid. Now check int I j row is equals to 6, I is equals to 0, 0 less than row, int I is equals to 0, 0 less than row, condition is true, 0 is less than row is 6, int I is equals to 0, 0 is less than 6, condition is true. Then in inner loop we comes row, 6 minus 0 is 6 minus 0, 6 minus 0, 0 value he gala 6, 6 minus 0 এটা হলো 0 value he gala 6, 6 is greater than 1, yes, 6 is greater than 1, then system dot out dot print गोटे space print करिवो एठी पुनी j ର value decrement of 5, okay, decrement ହେଲା 5, 5 is greater than 1, yes, then second space print करिवो, j ର value decrement of 5 रो हेगला 4, 4 is greater than 1, condition is true, आ गोटे space print करिवो, 4 ର value decrement ହେଲା 3, 3 is greater than 1, then आ गोटे star print space print करिवो, 3 ର value decrement of 2, 2 is greater than 1, yes, आ गोटे space print करिवो, 2 ର value decrement ହେଲା 1, 1 is greater than 1, condition is false, then it is outer loop को आसीबो, j is equals to 0, 0 is I ର value 0 अछि, 0 is less than 0, no, 0 is equals to 0, yes, तो गोटे star print कला, j ର value increment ହେଲା 1, 1 is less than 0, no, 1 is equals to 0, no, condition is false, it comes to the next line. Then when comes to the next line, then I value is increment to 1, I value 0 thila hela 1, 1 is less than 6, condition is true, 1 is less than 6, condition is true, so j is equals to row minus I, means 6 minus 1, j is now 5, so j is now 5, 6 minus 1, because I value at hegala 1, okay, then 5 is greater than 1, yes, condition is true, 5 is greater than 1, then printing one space, gote space print kala, tapore puni 5 ର value decrement ହେଲା 4, 4 is greater than 1, yes, आ गोटे space print kala, j ର value decrement ହେଲା 3, 3 is greater than 1, yes, then आ गोटे space print kala, puni decrement ହେଲା 2, 2 is greater than 1, yes, आ गोटे space print kala, j ର value decrement ହେଲା 1, 1 is greater than 1, condition false ହେଲା ପରେ next ठीक है, j is equals to 0, 0 less than 1, condition is true, गोटे star print कला, j ର value increment ହେଲା 1, 1 is less than 1, no, 1 is equals to 1, yes, आ गोटे star print, तापरे j ର value ହେଇगला 2, 2 is less than 1, condition is false, system dot out dot println माने नेक्स्ट लाइन को गला, एठी पुनी लूपिंग टा हमर कोन थिला, j ର value 1 थिला, एबे हे गला 2, 2 is less than row, 2 is less than 6, condition is true, okay, so j is equals to row minus I, j row 6 अछि, 6 minus 2 हे गला, एठी आसी गला 4, 6 minus 2 हे गला 4, तो 4 जतबे आसिला 4 is greater than 1, yes, condition is true, एटी गोटे स्टार प्रिंट कर, j ର value decrement ला 3, 3 is greater than 1, then एटी आ गोटे प्रिंट कला, तो j ର value decrement ला again 3, आ गोटे स्पेस, तो एमती हमर तीनटा स्पेस प्रिंट कला, तो हे कि हमर टोटल स्टार एटी प्रिंट करिवो, बुझियला गिरिजा, बुझ पाइल, हेलो गिरिजा बुझ पाइल,
आज्ञा सर,
ठीक है, बुझ पाइले,
आज्ञा,
तो एटा हला हमर फुल पिरामिड स्ट्रक्चर, ओके, एटा हमर फॉर लूप ता सरला, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास रे मु स्टार्ट करिवि व्हाइल लूप, तापर किछि एग्जांपल देबि व्हाइल लूप, डू व्हाइल लूप हम स्टार्ट करिवा नेक्स्ट क्लास, ओके, सो मंडे दिन स्टार्ट करिवि।